Welcome to 3735 Anza Street, number 1. This is a 1 to 2 bedroom apartment that's been recently updated in the outer Richmond. It's a pretty good location. You're close to a lot of outdoor activities, Golden Gate Park, and the high school, I believe it's George Washington High School, is right up the street. This apartment has 3 rooms. And legally, it's a 1-bedroom apartment. Alternatively, the configuration allows it to be used as a 2-bedroom. This is room number 1 that you access here from the entry door, and has hardwood floors, some living space, and a kitchen that features granite counters, a gas range, full-size sink, medium-sized refrigerator, and some nice cabinets. There's a window here that looks out on a little garden spot, and another window here. And in most cases, in the past, people have used this as the living room kitchen combo, using both the next 2 rooms I'll show you as bedroom or sleeping area. Down the little hallway, we go to the remodeled bathroom. It has some nice tile, a nice tile floor, a vanity with a marble counter, a medicine cabinet. Back in the hall, we go to the bonus room, alternative bedroom, whatever you want to call it. And it's a small room. It has a closet. There's a window there. The last tenant constructed a great loft bed that allowed them to take advantage of the fairly high ceiling and then still have some living space in the room. Prior to that, I had a tenant that used that as the sleeping room and then used this room back here as the living room, using this as a 1-bedroom. And this 3rd room to the apartment is pretty big, and it has some windows that look out onto the back roof of the apartment. That would not be a patio out there, it's a roof. More wood floors. This room has a bigger closet. So just to review, you've got the room back here that would either be the bigger bedroom, or as a 1-bedroom, maybe your living room. You have a hallway that opens up to all the rooms, and this little room here that you could just use as an office, a sleeping area, or an alternative 2nd bedroom type scenario. You have a nice bath. And then the front room, which would be considered a pretty spacious kitchen or a small combination kitchen living area. If you're interested in renting 3735 Anza number 1, visit billharkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Thank you, and have a great day.